Henan Jiayi Household Products Company Ltd. was established in 2000 and located at number 143 Shengju Road, Development Zone, Tanghe County, Nanyang City, Henan Province. It is a high-tech enterprise specializing in household cleaning brushes, with a professional R&D team, advanced and mature production technology, experienced sales team. Our company covers an area of 10 hectares and has 120,000 square meters of standardized workshop, with 800 skilled employees. Every year produces more than 2 million cartons of household cleaning brushes, annual output value of about 500 million yuan. We have advanced production equipment, 10 bristle production lines, more than 150 sets injection molding machines, over 300 sets bristle planting machines, and 10 packaging lines. The entire industry chain has been fully realized from raw material to production, from manufacture to sales and after sales. We have established logistics and transportation centers in Shengju, Henan Province, Shijiazhuang, Hebei Province, Linyi, Shandong Province, Guangzhou, Guangdong, Xi'an, Shaanxi Province, Yiwu, Zhejiang Province. So far, our factory has more than 400 items of products sold in the markets all over the China and exported to more than 50 countries including America, India, Russia, Southeast Asia, Middle East, and European Union. In the future, we will continue to build a world-class household cleaning products company, commit to the smart, green, and environmentally friendly household cleaning products, provide global customers with better quality products and more professional and considerate services. We are looking forward to a long-term cooperation and common development with you.